I've been doing this job now for 5.5 years, and so far it's been a fantastic experience.
I reckon it's the most brilliant franchise in WA that I know of. They're always there to help you 24/7, and it's flexible time-wise. You just book the jobs that you want to book in.
Yeah, the beauty of this job is you make your time to do whatever you want. If you need to buy equipment for the van or stop for a coffee, knock off early, go to a party, pick up the kids, whatever you want to do, you can just, make it the way you want it to run.
So Ovenu is the premier oven cleaning business in Australia. We have dedicated loyal customers that come back every 6 months or a year, depending on how often they use the oven. They just can't get the level of clean that we can, so they keep coming back.
It is like having a brand new oven again. It is so clean. The level of service they put into it is absolutely amazing. We highly recommend Ovenu. They've been to our house quite a few times. It's just a beautiful job every single time.
Since we've bought the business, we've looked at the other companies that are doing a similar thing, and this I feel is the best branded company in oven cleaning on the planet. You've got everything's professional. The vehicles are labelled, we've got all the equipment neatly decked out, we've got the correct matching uniforms.
Well, I've been a franchisee now for 14 years, and it's just been really fantastic because I can book as much work as I want to do. If I want to have days off to go to my kids' recitals and plays and things like that, it's fantastic. I can do that whenever I want. I have a good life balance and be able to build the home that I want to build, take my 4 kids on holidays whenever we want to go, and yeah, it's just been really good. If you are interested in becoming your own franchisee and becoming your own boss, then fill out the form and we can have a chat and get to know each other.